NoSql, which stands for not only SQL, is a term used to describe a wide range of database technologies that are designed to handle various types of data models and large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data. Unlike traditional relational databases, which rely on structured query language, SQL, and a fixed schema, NoSql databases offer more flexibility and scalability by supporting different data models and distributed architectures. Here are some key characteristics of NoSql databases. Flexible data models. NoSql databases can handle various types of data models, including key value pairs, document-oriented, column-oriented, and graph-based data models. This flexibility allows developers to choose the most suitable data model for their specific use case. Schema-less or dynamic schema. Unlike relational databases, which enforce a fixed schema for all data stored in the database, many NoSql databases allow for dynamic or schema-less data, meaning that each record can have its own structure or schema. Horizontal scalability. NoSql databases are designed to scale horizontally across multiple servers or nodes, allowing them to handle large volumes of data and high traffic loads. This is achieved through techniques such as sharding and replication. High availability and fault tolerance. NoSql databases typically provide built-in support for high availability and fault tolerance, ensuring that data remains accessible even in the event of hardware failures or network partitions. Optimized for specific use cases. NoSql databases are often optimized for specific use cases or data access patterns, such as real-time analytics, content management, caching, session storage, and more. This specialization allows them to offer better performance and scalability for certain types of applications. Eventual consistency. Many NoSql databases prioritize availability and partition tolerance over strong consistency, which means that they may sacrifice consistency in favor of ensuring that the system remains available and responsive under all conditions. This approach is known as eventual consistency. NoSql databases have gained popularity in recent years due to their ability to handle the diverse and growing data needs of modern applications, particularly those with large-scale and real-time data requirements.